Is here. So after yesterday, when we've sat down with engineers, went through all of the issues that occurred in the engineering samples, we arrived here today to the factory, and here is happening the setup of the assembly line. So as you can see, this is the first assembly line that will be used. In future, there will be more assembly lines with lady sitting here. So they will be assembling the V. So how it works is that there are these pads, trays, and the trays then are moved on these rolls further down the line. So everybody has their own job at the line. As you can see, many of the people are not actually doing anything right now, but they do have all of the components. For example, this lady here is gluing in magnets in. This lady here is installing heat sinks with heat pipes, or actually heat pipes. Here's some more heat pipes. Here the guys are adding motherboard, PCBA. So the guys in yellow are assembly line workers. I think yellow and white, but the pink are kind of like supervisors. So supervisors are the ones who were yesterday present in the this knowledge exchange process between engineers and factory, and the supervisors are now making sure that the employees at the line are assembling everything correctly. So for example, here you can see the device now being assembled by the lady. She's attaching the motherboard. It doesn't have the heat sink yet on top, and it has only one of the heat pads now. So here's something else. I think this is the place where they install antenna. So each of the seats here, each of them has a special instruction on top. For example, here we can see the instruction of how to connect the Wi-Fi antenna and how not to connect it. Here we can see instruction on how to properly screw the upper plastic with speakers. Here we can see some instructions for the camera, instructions for the heat sink. So it's actually all very detailed. Let's see what else is happening here. So further down the line, we have more people still, and here's the actual heat sink is being installed. So as you can see, the heatsink already comes with the heat pad, the thermal pads on it. And this is again one of the supervisors taking pictures, making sure that the process is getting improved. More supervisors. Let's see what's happening right now here. So I think yes, here we are installing the another USB-A port, and yeah, that's actually it. Not putting any power buttons yet. There, I think we're getting buttons installed. Nothing is happening here yet. As I said, guys, we just started today. So stay tuned. This is line number 1. And oh, actually, wait. Video is not finishing. Actually, let me show you something else. All right, guys. So yeah, so here I am now. This is another thing that is quite exciting. So this is basically the machine. We're getting it set up right now for disassembling the V's, disconnecting the touch panel from the screen. So here we have it. Actually, no, disconnecting the screen from the device. So how the machine generally works is that there is a compressor there. It sucks the air out from these suction cups, and as you can see, there are plenty of suction cups right here. So the suction cups on top are holding the device. Suction cups on the bottom are holding the display, and then they're disconnected that way. Yeah, and the power generator exactly at the bottom. So it's now all getting set up, and I'll continue once it's done.